Perfect.
Can you hear me? Tico. Eleanor. Little chickens. Yeah, exactly. They heard themselves in the camera and it stalled them. Yeah. Tuning in. They're tuning in. They both were just like totally looking at the camera, right? Because I've got the camera. They can see me, right? That's something, eh? Blue on one side, red on the other. Interesting. Hey, they're both watching now. Yeah. They were traded as a commodity amongst indigenous. Yeah. So that's where you get the third legend. Yeah. On the West Coast. Yeah. Because the people from the West Coast there, they paddle all the way down to California. And they would trade with the people there. They were breeding, like the Aztecs and stuff, were breeding scarlet macaws when they found the ruins of these aviaries, they were trading feathers for headdresses. Oh, they're trading for the feathers. I don't know what that was. Cool, man. Aztecs and Mayans, eh? Yeah. Trading with the guys up on the coast. Yeah. With the Haida people from the Haida people. They've been raven feathers, eagle feathers. This is yeah, oh, I see. That's where it came from. Big wings, big bird, yeah. I was talking to a lady who's really drunk conversation. She's an anthropologist, right? She specializes in Asian anthropology. So like talking to her, she's right into what she does. She's very passionate about what she does. But she will pick anybody. She has no talent for conversation. Huh. She has no talent for remember me? Patricia? Was it Patricia? Patricia and very interesting. But you had to wait through all the yeah, a little personality, move your arms or something. Tell a story, yeah. But academics, it's tough for them. It's tough for them, right? Their stories are lasting decades in their minds, right? So you can sit through it. You're going to learn a lot. So these guys here, they're macaws. Those are green wing. Green wing. Scarlets are a little bit smaller. They're red again. Yeah. Obviously, with green is. Yeah. Okay, that would be more of a yellow. They're on camera. Yeah. So they're South American. South American, right? Yeah. So the ones that are further north, so they're more, Central American. Okay. These guys. No, these guys are Argentina. Okay. And these are pretty representative of a full-grown bird. Yeah. They're not too smaller or bigger. These are like they're average. And these guys are what, about 4 or 5 pounds each, or what? 3 pounders. And in the wild, what kind of range would they have? So they're non-migratory birds. Okay. They do have a range of yeah. So they would normally in a day fly probably 20 kilometers. Yeah, a casual flight. Yeah.
They would move seasonally a small distance, right? So maybe go to do,
Yeah.
because it's just this time of year. This is when
Yeah.
and that's about it. You know, we don't. Not
So they're treetop or shoreline
oh, these guys are
canopies. He's very interested, or she.
seeing herself.
Just depends who's talking, right?
Yeah. Eleanor.
Yeah. Soaking it in.
Eleanor, what are you doing?
Can you see that? It's interesting. Soaking in the. Hello. Thank you. Been waiting for 3 shows to get that. What's that? So we've got Oscar in there still. We got Buddy in there. Huh. Hello. Blocking it. So interesting. So he's in the back there. He does okay. He handles that little temperature change with the window, no problem. And then I notice you moved Oscar a little closer now. Are they're getting along or what? Yeah. Yeah. And then the guys on the left here. Yeah, they're all the same. Penelope. Yeah. Okay. Helper.
Help the mood swing.
Okay. I noticed on the back of one of these, there's the one's picking at him pretty good.
Oh yeah, yeah. And she's got just way through the white.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's exactly who that impact
Things come from. Okay. Yeah. 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 No, I want speaker view for sure. Yeah, they're trying to figure that out. I wonder if I should next week I'll come up with some other things.
I'll bring Stratus
And then pump stuff on my picture, right? And oh, we're running out of bandwidth. Yeah. Oh. But we're pushing we got 2 connections, right?
Yeah.
Streaming video. Pretty good though. It's so cool. And then we'll do one more week of tiptoeing, and then in between Christmas and New Year's, I've got probably 40 people on that list. And we'll just pound them, right? It's time now, right? The one guy in Fort McMurray was good today. And then I'll just look like I'm pretty well through the independent pet shops, right? So I'll go and just pick out the other guys, right? They're funny.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
You want to hear a lot.
He goes
Oh, well, him and Buddy. Don't stop.
like just squawking or
No.
What's the songbird say?
You have a whole routine.
La la la.
la, la, la. That's such a deep voice too.
Yeah, you ask me what a songbird says.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Bye, Lou. See you later. Bye. Hello. Bye. Bye-bye.
Buddy and Daisy on. Lots of noise.
So I sent the link out this morning for tomorrow's. You got that? Okay. I didn't get feedback from anyone else, so I try not to send stuff out right when I wake up, but like 4:30, 5 o'clock. But sometimes I've got so much to do that I just have to do it. So yeah. What'd you think of your commercial I made? Good. Yeah. Upbeat, music. And then I was looking for it on the main channel this morning. Like, where is this thing? Like I know I've got it in the show. I booked it, but I never loaded the video in. So every time it comes up, there's this black screen. I'm well, there's what's supposed to be. So I reloaded on YouTube before I came. So then I'll put those in main rotation, and then I've got you on every page, like banner wise. So we're still doing pretty good traffic. So. A couple minutes. Just the TV.
Yeah.
That's all you need.
Yeah.
With an internet connection, right?
Yeah.
Because it's streaming all the time, 24/7. Yeah, we'll go another minute here and then, just so I got a half hour.
It's part of our measured goals.
Well, and then more people playing it. Like, I like the independent. Yeah. They know about it now, right? That's right. For very reasonable, considering the to keep Brandy on TV, the next Dream Plan now $7,700. I got to charge to keep her, right? So for $780 to get 1 year on TV, pretty good, man. And it's fully interactive TV. your banners on there. You know what I mean? You can click through. Yeah.
We did special promotion.
Yeah. Yeah.
2:00 in the morning
Yeah.
and
You'd see it.
you know.
But that was all that was there around then, though. Like what else? Well, the internet's there, but even now, it's so like the building your own TV brand. So wise, man. And have like how having Janae's stuff on there, and we never that other animal rescue guy never. It's a lot of work, though, right? Like, and the first thing with Lou and Janae is it was so scrambled. They weren't really super happy with what the production came up. But I don't really know what you want, right? So now they send them numbered. And now they tuned in, right? So but they're both, you know, well, architects basically, PhD, right? It's like a doctor. And, yeah, I know.
Lou has his own vision of
Worldview.
Yeah, Lou's a really interesting guy.
I love how they take the outdoors on, but from the science thing. But they're crawling around like they're hunters, and they're still doing everything. You know what I mean? Ooh, look at that! Look at that! It's a good. Oh yeah, man. That's a big win, big hug too. That's just such good footage. I just don't want to shut it off. A little bit of a groom. Ooh, good flick. Okay. That's the end.